Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, May the 3rd, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, a candle continuing with a lower high and a lower low, a very large black body candle, denoting the sellers making very substantial net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. They've also closed the market down towards the low, and that tells us that the sellers have closed with very strong control of this market, and they've shown very strong commitment to taking this market lower. Significantly, however, the market failed to close within a cloud. The market tested within the cloud but failed to close within there. So the cloud is holding as an area of support for this market, as is the Kijun-sen, the pink line here. And as I've mentioned quite often, the flat Kijun-sen attracts price action, and that's exactly what's happened here over the previous 2 days. Price action has been attracted back towards there. Previous day's trading, we had the buyers in control of the market, and they did lose, the sellers did lose commitment down below the 1400 round number support area, but today the 1400 area has failed to hold, and that's quite important for this market. The previous area that's held as strong support and resistance is now no longer holding. If the market does rally, however, that will have potential to act as resistance for this market, the 1400 round number, so we do need to watch that if the market does bounce off there. And there is every possibility that the market will bounce off this area at the top of the cloud, which is very strong support. In terms of Ichimoku, the market is basically neutral, because we're trading basically within the cloud or very close to the cloud, so the market is neutral in big picture terms. Also technically just bullish in the medium term and fast term time frames by trading above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, but we're so close to both of those indicators that we're basically neutral in all of those time frames as well. So we have a market that's in equilibrium in all three time frames, and we need to wait for a breakout in either direction. Now to the downside, we do have very strong support all the way through the cloud down to the 1347 area, with some significant areas down there at 1378, 1370 extending all the way down to the upside 1400 round number, and then up to the swing highs around 1414, then to 1419 and up to 1422. Just looking at the ticker span, that's below the corresponding price action, so it's not confirming the neutrality that we're seeing in this market. It is suggesting bearishness in this market, but we will have quite some way to go before this market does turn bearish in big picture terms, but we should see the cloud hold as very strong support for this market.